So we're Lower Valley Farm, and my name is Cummings. This is my wife, Mandy Gerth. We run this small organic farm just north of Somers, Montana.
2018 is our 6th year in operation. Each year our farm has doubled in size, and it's still a very small farm. So we produce food for our local economy and for our local customers. None of our food goes farther than 20 miles from our home. We sell primarily through a subscription service called a CSA, which is short for Community Supported Agriculture. Each week, CSA customers come to one of our drop-off locations and they pick up a box of vegetables. And the box of vegetables has all the vegetables that their family needs for the week. And that includes a root vegetable, a salad vegetable, something from the onion family, a culinary herb, and then the rest of the box is filled up with other seasonal vegetables. It's a really wonderful program. We get to know our CSA customers, they get to know us.
So the CSA is the heart of our farm, and we also sell our vegetables at the Kalispell Farmers Market. Every week that the farmers market is running, rain or shine. We also sell our vegetables wholesale through local retailers, organic groceries like Mountain Valley Foods and Natural Grocers.
So we have been using organic farming practices since the farm started in 2012. And in 2017, we took the extra step and got certified organic with the USDA. We were really excited to do this. Most of our customers know us really well and they trust us. And we thought getting certified organic is the least we can do to show them that we're doing what we say. We go far beyond what's required for the certified organic. One of the primary functions of our farm is taking care of soil so that that soil health translates directly into the health and the nutrient density of the produce that we grow.
And as we expand and as we grow, we make sure to take care of our customers first. We think that the customers are really what make this farm possible. And as we go forward in the future, we want to ensure that the quality of our vegetables continues to be our #1 priority and the best vegetables you can get around.
If you're interested in buying our produce, our favorite way to do that is to sign up for our CSA program. And you do that at lowervalleyfarm.com. You can also find us every week on Saturdays from 9 to 12:30 at the Kalispell Farmers Market. It's a lovely market, a wonderful thing to do Saturday mornings. And we're excited that we also have our produce at Natural Grocers and Mountain Valley Foods. So we look forward to feeding your family awesome vegetables.